Hey everyone, today we're making a delicious fish curry powder right at home. So we're making a Malaysian-style fish curry powder or a Malaysian Indian-style fish curry powder. There's several different types of curry powder and fish curry powders available in Malaysia. There's the Nyonya style, and then there is the one with the Indian influence, which is very popular in Malaysia and Singapore. It's often served with Roti Prata or steamed white rice. So this makes a delicious fish curry. Let's get straight to the recipe. If you like to learn about cuisines from different parts of the world and love to cook, please consider subscribing to my channel. So to make this fish curry powder, first we start off with some whole spices. We need 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds. And we also need 1¼ tablespoons of fennel seeds. To this, add 3/4 to 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds is an essential spice if you love to make delicious fish curry. Next, we need 3/4 of a tablespoon of black peppercorns. So these are the whole spices that are going to be used to make this fish curry powder. Add this to a dry pan. To this, we're also going to add one more ingredient, and that is 3/4 of a tablespoon of chana dal, that's split chickpeas. And now we're just going to toast all of these spices and the dal for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame till you can really smell the spices. Keep stirring as you do so. Allow the spices to cool down a bit, and then we're going to transfer this to a spice grinder. So we're not quite done. We also need some additional spice powders. We have 5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 4¼ tablespoons of mild chili powder, or 4 tablespoons plus a teaspoon. And I'm using mild chili powder here. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 3/4 of a tablespoon of white pepper powder. So these are the powdered spices that we're using. We're just going to add that along with those toasted spices from earlier, and then we're going to grind this together to a nice fine powder. We're also going to add salt, and here I'm adding ½ a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt crystals. Just going to add that and grind it once more so that the salt is mixed through. So just wait for this powder to cool down completely, and then you can transfer it to an airtight container or a small jar, and it makes just over a cup or 1½ cups of spice mix. And I'm going to show you how to use this spice mix to make a delicious fish curry in another video. Please don't forget to check that video out as well. Delicious fish curry that is often served here with Roti Prata or plain steamed white rice. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video recipe. Bye!